Wow, I'm at the Mercedes-Benz dealership up in um, you know, let's get started. First, I'm gonna start with this one. This one is a 19. That looks so good on this one. I love this. A 1957 Gullwing, and we got a 1962 hardtop convertible pack-top roadster. Got a 1957 roadster, also a 1961 roadster. Let's start with this one right here. This one is looks good. Looks good. Cigar coupe. Oh yes, the LSR McLaren. Wow, that's a real deal right here. Got the LSS GT. I thought it was a black series, but it looks so badass. This one's cool. It's cool. Oh, we got the V12. Oh my god. Oh my, gorgeous. This one right here. This one looks nice. And let's get to the good stuff right now. This is gonna be crazy. Now, before we, before I see those, uh, I like this one. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Nah, it look nice. Oh yes, this is the moment you've been waiting for. I see not one Black Series, two, two Black Series. Wow, this is phenomenal right here. It's outstanding. Got the carbon fiber wing. Wow, look at that. And we got the white one. Wow, this is so gorgeous. Ooh. Both have the carbon fiber size. Oh, look at this one. Got the LSS Roadster. Ah, looking sharp as ever. Boy. And we got the LS 500, LS 65 AMG. Wow. Wow. This is beautiful right here. I got the LS. This one is a V12. This is a V12, right? Also, it's here also. Wow. Wow. These beautiful collection of Mercedes. Like, wow. It's so amazing to see. It's including the Black Series as well. Wow. This is amazing. Signing off.